Welcome back, everybody. Well, today's a big day in the van build. Got a lot of things going on, so we're going to get started here shortly. When I started this project, I had a budget of $3,000. That's kind of what I decided I wanted to spend on this. That's everything inside. Now that doesn't include the price of the van to buy it, which I'm going to tell you about that later. Um, yeah, we're gonna put a pretty good dent into that today. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, you got the metal, the insulation, and the wood out. Now, will the turret fit in the hole? Yep, it fits perfect. So on the diesel heater, we're going to install the turret plate, which will actually bolt this to the floor. Okay, so the diesel heater is in the floor and it is bolted in. The fuel line is right here. So yeah, move on to the next step. Okay, so the front wall framework is all in. Now we just need to cut a piece of Luan panel and cover it up. So we've got the kitchen cabinets installed. We also have the countertop installed on it with the backsplash and the sink. Still got some plumbing to do yet on the water system. So we've got the Luan on the front wall of basically the basement or garage, whatever you want to call it. Still got a little bit of work to do on that. So one of the bed cross members right here, I put a piece of Luan on this. This piece of Luan right here is going to be a chase. There's going to be wires that lays on that. So in the basement, we got the diesel heater installed. We've got all the wiring on this side done. We got our AGM battery in here. Also got the water pump installed. The tank for the diesel heater is right back there. And then you can see how I've got my chase right here with my wires on top of it going to the other side. I also added another puck light back here in the basement so I can turn it on and see what's in there. Okay, so the water lines come out of the cabinet, they go across and they go into the water tanks. Okay, so we got the deck on the bed. Now we just got to wait on the mattress to get here to put on there. And yeah, that turned out pretty nice. Well, the van build has come a long way. There was a lot of stuff done in this video that you really didn't see because it took a lot of time to do, and I know you didn't want to sit and watch me drill holes in drawers all day. So yeah, it's still got a few things to do to it, but we're moving right along. So let's take a look at some numbers here and see where we're at budget wise. So just to refresh, we started off at $853.23 before this video. So I'm going to lump all this kind of in groups so we can get through it, because there's a lot of stuff on here. The interior, let's start with it. Paint, the stains, the floor covering, glue, the lights in the ceiling, and the doorknobs and the magnetic catches. And there was a USB charge port on that also. That was $198.06. The kitchen, probably the biggest expense. Once again, I went to Lowe's and got the base cabinets and used them. The countertop, the backsplash, the sink, all the plumbing items for the drain, the faucet, the soap dispenser, and we had some Luan panel for trim and miscellaneous hardware. That put us at $537.40 for the kitchen. The bed frame and the front wall of the bed. Some 2x6s, some 2x2s. We had one sheet of OSB we used. The Luan was left over for the covering on the front wall, and the hardware, and altogether that was $65.10. The diesel heater. The diesel heater come as a kit, so pretty much everything was in there. I added the turret plate, or the mount that goes down through the floor. It just makes it a nicer job. And there's also a pipe that goes on the outside to extend it to get it out from underneath the van. So altogether for the diesel heater is $183.22. The last thing on the list here is the plumbing. The 12-volt water pump, the 2 5-gallon jugs that I'm using for my water tanks, the pressure line and the drain lines, clamps, hangers, and miscellaneous stuff, all together come to $9,643. So that leaves us at $1,933.44 that we spent so far on the van build to where we're at now. And like I said, we have a few trim strips and some other stuff that we need to get done. We're going to work on that as time permits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.